So now we are having the reaction involving the retention of diazonium group. Means diazonium group will remain as it is in benzene ring, and these products are known as azo product, and it is the colorful product, and it is generally used as a dyes in different way. So we are having the last topic, the reaction involving retention of diazonium group. This reaction is known as coupling reaction because the two benzene ring are attached with each other, so it is known as the coupling reaction, and we are having diazonium benzene diazonium product, diazobenzene product. So now let's see what will they happen. Reaction involving retention of diazo, it is known as coupling reaction. Azobenzene will be the final product. It is colorful product. So what will happen? So if we are reacting benzene diazonium chloride, this is the benzene diazonium chloride, N double bond NCl will react with phenol OH. I am writing H over here. H is the separated from the benzene ring. It means it is not having one more H. So it is just phenol. Not H is considered as another element. We have separated H from the benzene ring. CH means H we are having the attach with carbon. What will happen from the para place? This is the para place of phenol. Will attach with the N bond. So this bond will attach with the NN bond, and we are having the two benzene ring attached with each other, and we are having the final product para hydroxyazobenzene. So what will happen? So the reaction will what done? Then benzene ring as it is, N double bond N as it is. So HCl will combine, and this benzene ring will attach with nitrogen. So this benzene ring is attached with the nitrogen, and now OHM as it is. This is the para hydroxyazobenzene. Name of this product is the para hydroxyazobenzene. These products are known as azobenzene product, and it is colorful product. It color is orange color. It color is orange color. Sometime this reaction is asked which color having para hydroxyazobenzene, then para hydroxyazobenzene having the orange color, and it is generally used as a dyes. And this is the coupling reaction because two benzene rings are attached with each other to form bond with the nitrogen. So this is coupling. Couple means two benzene rings attached with each other with the bond formed with dinitrogen, or sorry, N2. Same way, if aniline is reacting with the benzene diazonium chloride, so we are having the benzene diazonium chloride. This is the benzene diazonium chloride. Will react with aniline. This is the aniline NH2, and we are separating H over here. then HCl will form. This benzene ring will attach with the nitrogen, so the product will be the benzene ring. This is the benzene ring and double bond, and then again the coupling, and we are having NH2. This is para amino. This is the para amino azobenzene. This is yellow colored product. So these two reactions are known as coupling reaction. First, we are getting the para-hydroxyazobenzene because from the para place phenol is attached with the nitrogen. So this is para-hydroxy, this is the para-hydroxy, this is the para-hydroxine, and this is the azobenzene. Same way, this is para-amino and this is the azobenzene. Remember the color of these two different products. Para-hydroxyazobenzene is orange color and para-amino azobenzene is yellow color. You can remember OA. OA. O means orange. A means yellow. First is the para-hydroxyazobenzene, that is orange, and second is the para-amino azobenzene, that is yellow. Can be remembered together, it is OA, orange and yellow. First product is orange and second product is yellow. So this is very most important coupling reaction that you have cleared. Now the importance of this diazonium chloride or diazonium salt in chemical reaction or in industry. Last explanation. Generally, direct halogenation of arene compound is not possible. So if want to get chlorobenzene, want to get bromobenzene, want to get fluorobenzene, want to get iodobenzene, want to get nitrobenzene, we must use benzene diazonium chloride because it is used as an intermediate compound to get easily. Generally, fluorobenzene and iodobenzene is not available, but with the help of intermediate benzene diazonium chloride, we can easily get fluorobenzene and iodobenzene, which we have done in last lecture. Even cyanobenzene is not possible because the nucleophilic reaction of chlorobenzene to get cyanobenzene, it is very difficult reaction. But if we use benzene diazonium chloride, then we can easily cyanobenzene product. So this is the importance of benzene diazonium chloride to get generally cyanobenzene, fluorobenzene and iodobenzene, which is very difficult to get directly from the benzene. So we have completed this chapter. Kindly revise all topics and kindly send me homework 2 times by the evening to my WhatsApp. So we will start new chapter, compound complex or coordinate compound complex. So kindly get ready, try to read textbook, coordinate compound chapter, and we are having next lecture very soon. Thank you very much.